Welcome back to the channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to make a private story on Snapchat. Really easy and simple to do. So all you have to do is head over to your Snapchat application and open that up and just take a picture that you want to start off your story with. Then what you want to do is click on the send button, and then once you're on this screen here, you just have to click on the plus new story option just above where your stories are in the top right. So just click on that, and then you'll see here private story only I could post, so you can click on private story. And then here you just want to choose the people that you want to add to your private story. And then you just want to click on create story. And then it'll ask you to name your story. So you can just put your name in the private story and just click on done. And then now if you send out this post, this will now post it on your new private story, and only the people that you select will be able to watch your videos. I really hope I was able to help you guys out with this video. If I was, be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.